well. They're great socks because first off, they heat up. They have a battery pack right here. It just plugs in with a Type-C. So this is a Type-C cord that plugs into the battery pack. And then the battery pack just slips right into the sock and plugs in. And then to turn them on and off, you actually have this little remote here. So you just click this little remote, and now the socks, to be honest, has a little light on it, green for go, or blue, different heat settings. So each one of those are different settings for what temperature that you want. And then, of course, you turn them off as well. And then basically they're just, I got the large, so these just fit right onto any shoe size. I think it's 9 to 12 shoe size. The size chart is on Amazon. It comes in this little pack. So the pack, everything just packs right into the pack when you're ready to go. And then this plugs in with a USB. So you can charge them in your car, you can charge them in your home, you can charge them off a battery pack, battery bank if you'd like. So that's basically it, the VELAZZIO heated sock. Definitely worth the money if you're doing any backpacking, if you're doing any hunting, if you're outdoors, an outdoorsman or outdoors woman, or if you just have cold feet in general and you want something warm, the VELAZZIO heated sock.